Hello, this is Sally Gordon talking to you from my home office about the history and law of epidemics. First, the history. There have been many such outbreaks in America, from cholera, yellow fever, to smallpox, typhus, polio, more recently Ebola, and measles. None of these diseases respect jurisdictional boundaries. But in the United States, such boundaries mean a great deal, especially the boundaries between state and national governments. It is to the states that the police power is consigned. That is, the power to ensure the health, safety, and welfare of residents. It's no surprise that states have always been at the forefront of responses to epidemics. If we knew our history, we wouldn't be surprised by that today.